Parker's song. Oh, did you guys see? Did you guys see the Overlord season 4 and movie announcement? Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's happening. It's happening. I'm so excited. When? I have no idea. I just know that it has been announced. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I had no idea. Thank you so much. Yeah, no problem. Super Pog. I love Overlord so much. If you guys don't know, I'm in love with the series Overlord. It's my favorite anime series. You're in love with Albedo, don't lie to us? Yeah, that's true. I'm in love with Albedo. I love her. You caught me red-handed. What are you gonna do now? How'd you know? Who's Albedo? You sleep in the stream? Albedo's my wife. I love her. Best girl.